So when I'm inspecting, I'm carrying my mobile device, which has my report writing software. And when I get to the electrical panel, let's say I forget. I'm just totally overwhelmed by things of the day and the inspection is getting a little long and I'm trying to figure out what I should be inspecting. No need to worry about it. I just open up my electrical inspection software and the section of the electrical panel, and there's my checklist on what to inspect. It reminds me on how to perform a home inspection according to the standards of practice. And it's also customized to what I like to inspect in relation to the electrical panel. So download the inspection checklist and use it in your report software template. You can simply look at the software as an inspection guide when standing in front of the electrical panel. Remember, you're not required to remove the dead front cover of any electrical panel board according to the standards of practice. Where do you get the checklist? Our e-commerce partner, Inspector Outlet. And there's the free electrical inspection checklist. You simply add it to your cart and you download it. The inspection checklist is also on our page, the NACHI.org page of home inspection checklists, which includes the basic home inspection checklist, the gas furnace checklist, the pool and spa checklist, the radon mitigation system checklist, etc. And it's also right there, the electrical inspection checklist. Download the electrical panel inspection checklist, customize it, and upload it into your mobile device that holds your inspection report writing software.